Welcome to class 1. Wow, I'm so glad having you here, and I want to congratulate you once again for making it to this 30-day camp, the Pro Graphic Design Camp. This is video 1. In this video, I will be walking you through how you can create professional text effects using Adobe Photoshop. We'll be creating a good text effect, and we'll also be creating a silver text effect and other text effects in this class. Like I said, this class will be brief and at the same time very engaging and educating. So we'll be going straight to our programs. Like I said, these programs are not for beginners, though beginners can learn from them, but this is actually an advanced course. So I'm going to be launching my Photoshop. Alright, this is my user interface. Like you already know, I will create a document. My measurements are always in inches. I love working with inches. So let's say I'm using 15 inches by 6. Oh, okay, I think that's big enough. All right, so fill it with black. Hold down your alternate and hit your space bar, which you already know. So we have to change the font and the color of the text, or the font color. Let's use white. Okay, I will take my font. Okay, increase. Alright, and bring it down a little. Alright, come to your layer panel and then right click and go to blend options. So you see your bevel, emboss and all that. Let's come back first. Change your font color to something closer to gold. You can still work without this anyway, but let's do this. Right click, blend options, bevel and embossed. I'm increasing the depth and the size of the bevel and the embossed. So let's go to our contour. I love using this. You can see the effect. I love using this. Alright, so we can also add texture to it to make it look real, more metallic. Some of you have seen this text effect on my designs before. Alright, so let's go to gradient overlay. Let's choose perfect gradient overlay. Open your gradient. You can see the options here. If we are to use this, we'll have a different tone of gold, but that's not what I'm using. I'm using this. Alright, to give me the gold that I am looking for. As simple as it is, this is how you create this. So if you want to still add pattern overlay to it, there's no problem, provided you have what you're looking for. Let's go back to gradient overlay and adjust the scale. Alright, then if let's give it an overlay color. No, I don't want to use red. Let's use gold. Reduce the opacity, then click OK. Alright, you can see we have our good text effect here. You can see how easy it is to create the good text effect. Now you can, if you want to add a flare light to it, it's very simple. Bring your flare light normal, take screen, and here you have it. Here you have it. You can see the light glowing. Here you have it. So the second texture of text we'll be creating now is the silver. Let's create another document. This time around I will use a smaller dimension. Let's take 4. Let's say 200. Okay. Alright. Take your text and type. Change your color to white, your text color. Right click, let's go there, come to overlay, gradient overlay, take your silver and scale, adjust your opacity and scale, and we can still emboss this, perfectly emboss this. Okay, contour. Let me choose a different contour this time around. Right. Okay. Let me adjust my Let's go back to texture and adjust this. You can actually change your fill for your pattern. So we're getting there. Adjust your pattern overlay. These are some of these things you see online and you want to download them but you can't. So why not comprehend how they have been designed? Alright, I think I will adjust my contour. Adjust my contour. Okay. The contour actually makes the effect real if you know how to apply it. Alright, I can decide to change this font. Let me see how it looks here. Wow. You can imagine this. Alright, I think I do this. There's no need for this. Okay, we have our silver. You can still add your light effects to it. So this is what we'll be doing today. You can keep on practicing with this. There are a lot of things you can get done with this technique I just showed you in this video. You can change the colors of this text to give you any color of texture that you want. You can change the color. You can change the color. See what's happening here. So you can actually change the color to get anything you want. Alright. So I will see you tomorrow in class 2. Thank you so much. I hope you are getting value. You got value from this. Today is just an introduction. So keep on practicing. Practice with different textures. Practice with different text. Practice with different fields. I will be showing you how you can easily create 3D text effects using Photoshop. Very easy. You don't even without using the extrude effect or extrude panel layer. Alright, so see you in class tomorrow. Bye.